stay safe in the street.
Company is Beauty Forever. You guys can check out their links. It will be in the description box below. Hey guys, so I don't want to talk really loud because it's late. I'm going to install my wig. I'm going to be using ErickaJ's product because I bought all of them. Her Hold Me Down Skin Guard, the glue, and I also got Fluffy Stuff Remover. So I might do a video doing the water test, and then I'm going to use the remover in that video. I'm not sure yet, but today I'm going to be using all of these stuff, and I'm going to do my ball cap method. I haven't glued my wig down in so long, but I'm going to do my ball cap method. So I'm going to use this wig cap, and I'm going to use my Beautyytb spray. If you haven't checked out my ball cap method video, I will have it linked up in the eye over here, and you guys can check it out. I did a detailed video showing you guys how to make sure your sideburns and everything laid down. I also have a video showing you guys how I do my new braiding pattern routine. And if you're having any troubles with your edges, I do recommend using this growth oil. It's very, very good. I need to buy another one. I don't know how I even found this. I think I was just on Instagram and I seen some reviews on it and I got it. It's the natural growth oil from Natural Beauty Hair Boutique. Okay guys, and if you notice, there's these types of caps. Like there's this nude one, and then there's this one that looks like this. I like these that look more like yellowy for some reason, because these ones look more like a pinky tone. Even though you can go in and color correct with your foundation, I just like these more. Toner, I'm using just the Dickinson. I'm gonna use that to clean off my forehead. Alcohol. I just put my 91% alcohol. Okay. Now I'm gonna put this back down. So she said to spray the Hold Me Down Skin Guard. Now I'm gonna blow dry it till I'm gonna go in with the adhesive. So it looks like this. I'm gonna go around my hairline. I think I might need to get the bigger bottle. It does not smell like Bold Hole. Like it does not have an Elmer's glue smell, so really like that. I'm going to blow dry this glue. I'm gonna go in with the Beautyytb Freeze Spray, and I'm gonna spray down this. You see how nice and clear it is? I'm gonna sit under my dryer until this cap dries. I'm gonna put the dryer on cool, so I'm gonna put it on high and on cool, so I'm probably gonna sit under here for like 5 to 8, 10 minutes, something like that. I'm gonna cut the cap off. Okay, so I understand why she did the glue, because the glue makes it, like, even if you pull it, the glue makes it hard for you to actually mess up, if that makes sense. Because if I just did the Beautyytb spray, I notice when I just do the Beautyytb spray, if I go to pull this, it would literally just lift up and get white. That's a smart idea to do the glue and then spray the BEAUTYTB, because it kind of just like helps you, especially if you're a beginner. It helps you to not mess up. Now I'm gonna use some alcohol to wipe off the side area. I'm gonna use my Ruby Kisses two-sided foundation. A lot of people always ask me what I use to tone my lace. I use this, and it's in the color 14. I'm using this side over here. I'm gonna wear this wig today. This is my Beauty Forever wig. It came highlighted, so I'm gonna have all the information down below. And this is what it looks like. It's like a brown with some highlights, and I feel like it's so cute. This is my kind of style. So I'm gonna put my foundation inside of the lace. I need to cut off my ear tabs. I don't know, I just feel more comfortable cutting my ear tabs off before I glue the wig down. That's just my preference. The wig has a lot of space in it, so it's gonna be comfortable. And look how this lace is looking. Probably gonna leave this wig on for like 5 days. Spray the skin guard one last time. I hate when the hair starts coming through the lace on the under part. Like, what the heck? Glue. I might just have to cop the big glue. Put this glue on 3 times. I'm not using the blow dryer or anything. I'm just leaving it to dry, and this glue dries so quick. Right here, I don't think I blended out properly, but I'm just gonna leave it still to dry. Put this lace in the glue. Tell me if you guys want to see a reinstall, and I will make that for you. Making sure that I'm pulling it to where it's comfortable. I'm thinking if I should do a widow's peak. Not sure. I'm gonna cut off the air tabs. Alright, and now I'm gonna blow it with my blow dryer on high heat, medium speed, low speed, medium heat, any type of warm heat setting that you have, put it on that. I think this is good enough. I'm going to add some of the glue at the front. I'm going to blow dry it while I push it with the comb. pour some water. Alright guys, so I'm gonna spray the front of my head with some water in my spray bottle, and then I'm gonna go in with the fluffy stuff. I'm so excited over all this stuff because it's like ErickaJ stuff. Okay, so I always say if it wasn't for ErickaJ, I would have never been doing hair videos last year so consistently. And she's very, like, she's a great teacher, and she's a good motivator, and she's very blessed. But this is very classy. Should I say classy? Let me say professional, right? They have the expiration date and everything at the bottom, so it expires in 2022, and it's called Fluffy Stuff. I love the packaging and everything on this, so I'm just gonna spray down the front of my head just lightly. All right, I'm gonna shake it because I feel like I shake all my mousse just to make sure that it's foamy. All right, then I'm gonna take, like so. I'm gonna put it down. Ooh, it smells so good. It smells like candy. No, like seriously, it seriously smells like candy. This should be illegal. It really smells so good. Oh my gosh. Y'all, it really smells like candy, like no joke. I'm gonna get my sideburns. I want natural baby hairs. I'm gonna tie it down with my Tropic Touches head wrap. Looks like this. I'm gonna just blow it on medium heat, low speed. If you guys don't get anything from this video, get this. I think I'm about to go order another one. It literally smells so good. It smells so good, like candy, for real. Like it smells like sweets. All right, I'm gonna remove this so I can hot comb my hair. Look at my edges. It looks so good. All right, I'm gonna hot comb it. And this is not HD lace or anything. It's literally just a regular transparent lace. I don't think I'm gonna do any parts just because it's a 13x4 and I don't feel like having a short part in the wig. So I'm just gonna do like a flip over wig type of thing. I need to put some serum on this hair. I don't think I'm gonna do a part. I might just leave it like so I can do some curls. All right, I'm gonna get some of my serum. I'm gonna curl the hair. I'm gonna link a video up in the eye above showing you guys how I curl the hair, and I'm gonna speed through this portion. I already have dedicated videos a lot on hair, so I don't want to make it extremely long for no reason. Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you how I sleep with my wig. I just put on my Tropic Touches head wrap. You could get a head wrap from everywhere. I'm not restocking my head wrap yet, but I just sleep with my Tropic Touches head wrap, and I put my hair into 2 braids. It looked kind of crazy because I had this wig on for like 4 days now. I put it in 2 braids. The braids are crusty. I need to brush the hair out, but I put it in 2 braids. I clip it up with my duckbill clip, and then I use my small bonnet just to hold it in place. And then when I'm taking a shower, I just put on my plastic cap, and that is how I take my shower. I just wanted to show you guys that, just in case anybody was having like problems with tying their hair to go to sleep, or like they didn't know how to properly tie their hair to go to sleep. I just tie my head wrap and the bonnet. That's it. All right.